'Cause in this world, you don't know how to express yourself, so